Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Gold Praise video on the 18th of May, 2020. It is me, Mr. Kerbal, your Grange Headteacher, and I'm here to celebrate all those families who have found a way to concentrate on their education in the face of the coronavirus challenge. If you are in this video, it is because you have proof that you are the boss of yourself and you are in control of the decisions you make. You are making your best choices with confidence and consideration. And it means that you were outstanding in your independent online learning in the last week. This video covers the period of the 11th of May to the 18th of May. Gold Achievement Awards go to, in nursery, Dario, brilliant work. In reception, Alessia, Nisa, Amen, Bahar, Mate, Sarah, Laura, and Musa. And not to forget Didat. Well done. These are reception children doing so brilliantly. In year 1, Tiana, Shoria, Daniel, Shreyas, Omar, and Bathanan, and Kiruthika. Well done, year 1. In year 2, Eric, Rayan, Ain, Amar, Vienna, Louisa, Vihan, Walid, Abdirahman, Rocky-san, and year 2, top of the Gold Grange leaderboard this week. They are the only class with a second page. Nihara, Kamira, Samina, and Khalif. Well done, year 2. Outstanding week for you. Year 2 adults, pat on the back as well. Year 3, last week there were no golds in year 3, and I said, come on, year 3, and look what happened. Katspa, Fiona, Tanashiri, Sophie, Mohammed, Yusuf, Hussein, and Jatin. Well done, year 3. You certainly made huge progress last week. Well done to these gold superstars. And of course, in year 3, superstar Natalia. Well done, year 3. Proud of you. In year 4, Vishwesh, Shravan, Jewel, Aliyah. Well done, year 4. Year 5, Eric, Blinart, Anushanth, Zara. Proud of you, year 5. And look at year 6. Our pupil leaders in the school: Miria, Nikhil, Igor, Farah, Bathana, Jack, Kathleen, and Solafa. I am so proud of all of you children. Be great, be Grange, and you are demonstrating that. You are showing that you are living your lives with confidence and consideration. Doesn't matter what's happening to the left or to the right or in front of you. You know how to make great decisions in your lives, and I look forward to your futures. Anybody who's been here, you are gold, gold, gold superstars. Looking forward to this week's gold superstars. Keep it going, be great,